A lot of time homeowners don't understand, what's going on underneath their home, what's up underneath their floors. Sometimes it can be a really scary thing because they don't know. At Frontier Basement Systems, we're going to take a look at everything. We're going to take a look at the floor joists, the rim joists, the mud sill. We're even going to take a look at the plumbing to make sure that there's no plumbing leaks that are going to be cause for concern later on down the road. When we get done with our repairs, we don't want homeowners to have to think about these repairs later on down the road. We want them to know that it's there to last a lifetime. My dad has been a licensed general contractor since he was 19 years old. So we've been fixing basements and crawl spaces ever since I was a kid.
A lot of things that we do is the entire health of the house. But if the house isn't healthy, then you can't be healthy. We want to make sure that we're taking care of the house just like it's our own or if it's our grandmother's. And so we want to make sure our clients are happy, but we're also making sure they're taken care of and they're spending money wisely.
We take care of your wet basement, your nasty dirt crawl space. We do radon mitigation, and we do foundation repair. We are very blessed to be a Torch Award winner for the Better Business Bureau. And that is not just an award that you get by just filling out some paperwork. It really means that your integrity has been not only checked, but approved by the Better Business Bureau. It's something that tells a homeowner that we are set aside from other businesses that do the same types of work that we do. We're very, very proud of that. If you have any questions about your foundation, about what's underneath your home, don't hesitate. Don't wait until it gets worse. Just give us a call. It's an absolutely free estimate.
Stop at any time and come see us. Pick up the phone, give us a call, send us a text message, send us an email. We do offer free inspections. We'd be happy to come out and take a look at your home. Spend whatever time is necessary to make sure that we're coming up with the right solution for you.
Don't fret or fear, just call Frontier, the basement and crawl space specialist.